Okay, take off in a 2020 Powerstroke with no tuning, stock on 35s. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over my 2020 F-350 Powerstroke. This is the Platinum trim package. It is an Fx4. It is four-wheel drive. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick walk around of it, everything from the front to the back, inside, quick little features, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started with this front end. The Platinum package comes with this chrome front grille. This is the four-wheel drive model, so this valance is a little bit taller. It comes with these LED fog lights, LEDs in the headlights right here. I'll turn those on so you can see right there. The whole front end looks great. I can't wait to get this thing paint matched and get this black and white. But next thing we'll go to is the key fob. So right here you have your key in case your battery dies that pops out, but you do have your automatic tailgate opener on here, your remote start, your lock, your unlock, and of course your alarm. So, like I said, we've already put 22x14 wheels on it. These are TIS 544 wheels. They are the BM, which stands for black machined. So you've got the black base and then the machined lip, stuff like that. This is the Star White. In the daylight, you can see this thing pop incredible. You've got the chrome trim all the way around, being on the Platinum. We're gonna get these color matched and we're gonna replace these. They are an orange light in there. We're gonna put a white daytime running light in there with an orange turn signal. The lock system is actually pretty cool. So if it's locked and you have the key on it, you guys have probably seen this. You just put your hand in here and it unlocks it. Okay, and then when you're going to lock it, you just push the button right here. The truck is locked. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the inside real fast. So as far as inside goes, we do have this black wood right here. In the lariats and stuff, you'll get a little bit of like the more wood color. I wanted this black. And then you've got your heated mirrors here. You've got your mirror controls. You've got your automatic mirrors right here. You've got, if you put those back out, then you've got your, you can slide them out for your tow mirrors, which is super convenient, not having to get out and pull those out. You do have your seat memory right here, and it's actually pretty cool. You can set, so if you set your seat memory, you can actually take one of your two key fobs and you can lock it to that setting. So say that you have a girlfriend or a wife that drives your vehicle, and you can take and give her one key fob and you one key fob, and when you unlock it, it will actually push the seat to whoever's key fob is getting in. So this is the 513A package, so it does come with all the adaptive cruise control, the 360 cameras, everything like that. You've got your controls up here. You've got the stock exhaust brake. You've got your traction control, your hill descent. You've got your lane departure assist, and then your 360 camera, as you can see here. You can take and you can go through, front view, front 360 view, back view for if you're backing up to a gooseneck or anything like that. And then you can add a camera as well. So Ford made it super easy to make life better like that. Right here you've got the 4 cup holder, so if you need more room you can just slide this over. You've got all your air and heat and everything right here. Your media controls right here. Locking differential if you pull out on the 4-wheel drive button. You've got your trailer brake and your Pro Trailer Assist. And pretty much every model, I think now, in the newer ones, maybe besides an XL or an XLT, comes with that Pro Trailer Assist. And then as far as right here, you've got your automatic tailgate, so you can hit that button and your tailgate drops. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about real fast what we've got here for the center console. Underneath here is the same as in all the Fords. You just got a lot of room in here. You do have these cup holders that slide over. You can lift this up and there's room underneath this. And then there's like a little anti-slip pad, if you've got money or stuff to put in there. You can take this out and you can put your key fob in there if your key fob dies, and it will recharge your key fob. And then into here, you push this all the way back, snap it into place. You do have a wireless charger here for your phone. You do have a USB-C port and then a USB drive, or a USB port there. So as far as the Mysync 3 system, you have your audio here. You've got your climate controls here, heated steering wheel right here, max AC, max heat. You've got your phone. You can use, any recent call list, contacts. You can use Siri right here if you have an iPhone. And then navigation's really cool here. You can see exactly where you're at. And then when you do park on this, it will tell you exactly where your vehicle is located. So if we pull up the Ford Pass and we log in here, You can lock or unlock and lock, start. You can go down to here to vehicle, and you can get all the information here for your vehicle. Now that it's connected there, you can see we've got 274 miles till fuel. And now the reason for this is you can be laying in bed one night and you could say, oh, do I need to get fuel in my morning on my way to work, or whatever the case is. You can see how much fuel is exactly in your vehicle without going and looking. Shows you the odometer here. We do have 626 miles on this truck now, and then it'll tell you exactly where we are located at. The address, you click on that, and you can see on the map exactly where you are. So with that being said, the reason why you'd want that is if your truck gets stolen, you can shut your truck off, you can turn it to valet mode, you can do all that stuff. So anyway, super easy app to use there. It is a little bit glitchy lately, so Ford needs to hop on that, but that's a little bit of the app there. And then you go here, you can go to your apps link, or you can go, you can plug your phone in. You can plug your phone in and use CarPlay, and then you have a little bit more different controls here to use, and I'll show you just a little bit of how that works. So you'll see it pop up on here, CarPlay, right here. So now that we're logged in, so now you can change your screen pretty much to the home screen of your iPhone. You can take this and you can scroll through it. You can have your apps on here. You can have it call people, settings, whatever. You can click on your GPS and it's an exact map just like your iPhone is. You can take and go to your music. You can come to your music screen. You can browse things. And then, you know, it'll pull up, like if you have Apple Music, it'll pull up your recommended. You can pull up your radio, your library, what you're currently listening to, and everything like that. So all in all, I'm super happy with the Ford's interior. We do have these controls up here. This one does come with these auxiliary switches. Like we talked about, if you want to add any 360 cameras, you can turn them onto here and you can actually flip them on. You've got your rear sliding window right here for the back. You've got your dual pano sunroof that comes on this package. This, like I said, this is the 513A package, so you've got that. You've got a room here for your sunglasses, an extra pair here, and then you've got, this brings forward your shade, your sunshade for your panoramic roof. So you push it one time and it will go to the first sunroof, and then you push it another time and it will come all the way forward. So if you're gonna be leaving your truck or vehicle outside and you don't want, you know, the sun inside hurting your seats, then you can do that. You can also push it back and it will go one back, or you can take and you can hold it. Oh, let's see. You can take, after it stops, you can take and hold it and then let go, and then it will stop wherever you want to. So you've got your moonroof right here, your sunroof that you can do. We'll push it straight back. This little windscreen pops up so that you don't get a ton of wind noise. We can put it back, and then we can just lift the back up with this single button right here. So you can get a little bit of ventilation in here. And then you have your light controls, and then as well as your microphone for your Sync 3 so that you don't have to sit here and hold your phone to talk. And as for the sound system, we do have a 10 speaker sound system. They did upgrade, now it is a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and it is great. Super clear, the bass sounds really good. It comes factory with a small sub behind the seat, and I am super impressed with the audio quality in here. We are gonna be putting a custom sub box underneath the back seat, so if you wanna stay tuned for that one, definitely drop a subscribe on the channel. Alrighty, so this leather is super soft. I know you guys can't really see how soft this is on video, but this is a different leather than comes in the Lariat, so you can get a fully loaded Lariat and it's not gonna be this type of leather. I don't know the exact difference, but I've heard that this leather is a little bit better quality. It does come with that platinum silver stripe right down the middle, and this is the black interior package. So that wraps it up for the interior. Let's hop outside and check it out. This is the 3rd Gen 6.7, and it does have a 10-speed transmission behind it, and boy does it run great. We went and did a takeoff earlier, and I will be posting more videos on that later, showing you guys how it runs, but look how beautiful it is up under this brand new engine bay. Practically no room for modification, so we're gonna have to get rid of some of this stuff, weight reduction, if you know what I'm talking about, and then we're gonna have to make some room for some parts. Alrighty, so as far as the tailgate goes, the automatic tailgate, you can drop it by double clicking this. It will come down. And then Ford has had this back step for quite a while, but This is a little bit different than the one that was on my 2015. On my 2015, it sat up here, which I didn't like. This one is out of the way, which I really, really appreciate Ford for doing, because we do like a clean, safe look. So you pull this out, flip it up. Okay, which leads us into, this one does come with the factory gooseneck prep package. I do not have the ball currently, it's on the way. I ordered a B&W ball and I will do a review on that. So if you want to see that, stay tuned, hit subscribe, or if you're liking this content, make sure to drop a like on this video. Now, as far as the package goes inside here, we do have the LED lighting that comes standard on it. I chose to opt out of the factory bed liner because I didn't want the plastic ugly one, and I want to leave the sides white. So what I ordered actually is a rubber one that goes across. It's gonna close this so that way when you're brushing your tailgate out, no stuff will fall down in here onto the bumper, and then it will go all the way to the top of the tailgate. So as far as the LED lighting goes, it turns on these two LED lights, it turns on these two LED lights, and it turns on the one on the bottom of the tailgate, so you have plenty of lighting to do all your needs, especially if you're loading your bed or hooking up a trailer. So then we've got our connections back here, and that's all for the bed. Then this is super simple to drop down, push the button, and it's marked even 1, 2, now moving or picking up that tailgate is a lot simpler than on the older ones. I don't know what it's actually like structured with, but it seems a lot lighter to lift up and super easy. As far as the receiver, they do have a 3-inch hitch on there now. You can't really tell the difference on camera, I'm sure, but looking at this next to like a 2-inch adapter or a 2.5-inch even that they had on the 2015, 2016 models, it is a big difference. They do come stock with an adapter from 3-inch to 2.5. And then here you have more trailer plugs, so that way you have your gooseneck in here. You don't have to run it over the tailgate, and if you have a bumper pole, you can hook it up back here. This is the Fx4 package. It is the off-road. This does have the 331 gears in the rear end. It does have the axle locker, like we talked about, you pull out on that 4-wheel drive module. So pretty much that's everything on the exterior of the truck. We did not get the fender flares, the Ford factory fender flares, because we do like the stance, and I don't necessarily like the way that the fender flares look. We might want to end up adding them. The Platinums do come with these tail lights with the LED module inside of them, which they're not turning on. Embarrassing. Okay, we'll cut that part out. LED factory tail lights. We've got, it comes with these handles so that you can actually take and put these. So it comes with these handles that you can take and you have extra tie downs. So as you can see on the sides of the bed right there, you can take and you can lock these in, and it comes with a key so that nobody can take them out of your truck. We are going to be putting a bed cover on this. We do have one on order, so I'll be doing a review of that as well. This is that adapter that it comes with standard. As you can tell, the size difference right here. This is the one that was on the 2015s, and it fits right inside of there. So right there you can see that size difference. Big deal. Okay. This is equipped with, I think all Platinums come equipped with the factory running boards, the automatic side steps. They are set to a 2-second delay, so as soon as you close the door, that way if you need to open this one, they don't go up and down. So then you close it, 1, 2, they go back up. Like I said, we're going to be paint matching everything on this truck. We are going to be doing a build on it. So far we just have the wheels and tires on it. We do need to throw a leveling kit on it. We're going to do a 2.5-inch or a 3-inch leveling kit, which is here in the next couple weeks. We are going to be doing full paint protection on the rockers and full clear bra on the front. We are going to be getting this thing 7-year R1 ceramic coated, and I think that's about it. So if you guys have any questions or if you want to see anything else, please drop a comment down below and let me know what I can show you on these beautiful trucks. We are going to be doing a full build process of this and videos along the way. So if you guys want to see more, be sure to drop a subscribe down below. Comment if you have any questions, you want to see anything special about the trucks or anything towing related. We're going to be posting all those videos, exhaust brakes, weight reduction kit in the future, paint matching like I've said, so custom sound system. So please be sure to drop a like on this video if it helped you out. We'll see you next time. Peace.